Hello everyone. So this is the second part of the chapter, that is the earliest cities. In the first part we have discussed about the upper town and the lower town and what was the town plannings, drainage systems of the streets and so on. So now in this part of this video we will study about occupation of the people. What was the occupation? People followed many occupations, such as they were the farmers, craftsmen, weavers, potters, toy makers, stone cutters, traders, merchants, sculptors, and so on. Pottery had reached a very advanced stage. It was glazed and carried various designs. Terracotta seals were found in big number in many sites. And what are they? They are square or rectangular in shape with pictures of animals and other scenes painted on them. You can see it's a picture of seals from Harappan civilization. Okay. And hair clips were made of stones. Craftsmen used to make hair clips, rings, necklaces, bangles, earrings. Even the beads were also popular at that time. Villages, when we talk, and the toys and sculpture making were prominent industry of that time. When we talk about villages grew crops, and wheat and barley were the main crops. Apart from that, rice, pulses and mustard were also grown. Pluck was used as a tool for farming. Sculptors were also present to make sculptures of clay and bronze. From for that time, you can see one picture. Let me zoom it. This is the sculpture of bronze dancing girl, and this was the master period from that time. A small model of plug proved that the fields were plugged at that time. Along with that, they domesticated the animals such as cow, horse, oxen, buffaloes, and sheep. Bricks were constructed of an architectural structure, hence brick making was become important profession. Now, let us move to the next slide. Now we'll study about Harappan cities in Gujarat. So what were the cities present over there? First city was Lothal. Lothal was situated in Gujarat near the Gulf of Kambad. It was an important trading center as it was a coastal site. It was connected by channels of water, and this shows that boats and ships came in from the sea and through the river channel, as it is located in a coastal site. A huge baked brick tank which looked like a dockyard was also discovered here. You can see the picture of dockyard at Lothal. And Lothal was popular for bead making, as pieces of stone, half completed beads, or you can say tools for bead making, and different type of beads have been found. And this shows that beads were manufactured in workshop here. Next city is Dholavira. Dholavira is another important site that is situated in the run of Kutch. It was a large settlement with fresh water and fertile soil. It was divided into three parts: citadel, middle town, and lower town. Citadel, we can say it's the upper town, and each part was surrounded by a sturdy wall made of stone. It has a large enclosed open area with gateway, and it is believed that it must have been a special place for public ceremonies. There is also a large wooden plank with letters written in Harappan script. Now let us study about another city, that is Dhoro. Dhoro is a recent site that was excavated in the Kutch region. Here articles, you can say, made from shell and copper have been found. Shell bangles, both finished and unfinished, have been excavated, and this shows that this place must have had workshops here, as shells must have been available in plenty. That is why they are making bangles. Last but not the least, we'll study about decline of Indus Valley civilization. Gradually, the Indus Valley civilization declined. No one knows what exactly happened. Natural disasters like earthquake, flood, etc., or any epidemic might have been the cause of it decline. The archaeological findings hint that people vacated some of the places and shifted. This has also been given a hint that people have been shifted to another place, or this major shifting can be attributed to the spread of epidemic after flood. Like we have already discussed that maybe the reason of declination may be the natural disaster like floods and earthquake. It has also been suggested that deforestation or the changing course of river could have caused it. New cities emerged nearly 1400 years later. So this is the history of the earliest cities, how it was formed, what were the cities, what were the town planning and streets, the drains, and how it has been made, huge halls, altars, granaries, how it has been planned. Everything is written very nicely and at the last we have also studied that what was the reason why it has been declined, and yet there is no specific reason why it has been declined. So I hope you have understood this video. Thank you so much for watching.